Hello, pretties. Welcome back to another episode of Get Classy with Chifo. It's your girl again, Chifo, aka Blessing. Compliments of the season to you guys. From anywhere you're watching from, we say Merry Christmas, ladies. So, in today's episode, guys, we know that the weather is dry. We're in the Harmattan season, and for me, I kind of like this season. Really, this is my best season. You might say you don't like it because it's too dusty, it's too cold, it's too dry, it comes with a lot of dust and all that. But come to think of it, this is the best weather that you can manage your skincare very well, because the weather is not too hot. During summer we tend to get different type of reactions because the temperature is so warm, and as such your cream tends to react negatively or otherwise. But for the Harmattan or the cold season, you can actually manage these things, because if you're able to protect your body well, then you get the best results out of your skincare. So without further ado, guys, in today's video, I'm here to tell you how you can take care of your skin during this period and make sure your skin is healthy and you don't tend to get all this reaction or negative reactions that come with this season. Yeah, one of such is skin dryness, maybe your skin breaking out, that's you having breakage of your skin, flakiness, you're getting cracked skin, saggy skin. Your skin tends to tear. This is the season where we see a lot of tears on our skin because of the harsh weather. But how do you prevent that, or how do you manage that? Well, for some people, depending on your location, the humidity there might still be high, even though there's Harmattan, so you're better off than those who are in the far north, where currently humidity is very low, which means that there's little or no moisture in the atmosphere, so the weather is extremely dry. In fact, the environment is trying to drag the little moisture you have on your skin, when you expose yourself to the environment. So that is what causes the dryness, because the humidity is very low. So anything that's, when you go out or even when you are indoors and you don't protect your body well, the little moisture you have on your skin tend to just vaporize and then goes back to the atmosphere, because the atmosphere is trying to drag more moisture as it could get. So your skin, anything that has moisture, it attracts it. So that's what leads to dryness. So most people say, oh, I'm using oil, I'm using this, my skin is too dry, my skin is breaking out, oh, I'm getting darker, oh, my skin is getting red, oh, I'm having rashes. Different type of issues really that you see this period, from rashes to dryness to flakiness and all that we have mentioned. Now, how do you prevent or manage this? The first thing you want to do really, guys, is just to ensure that you hydrate your skin as much as possible. Yes, that is the vital rule and the vital solution for getting yourself through this period. If your skin is not hydrated, guys, put on the best skincare, put on the best lotion, put on the best cream. If that cream or lotion doesn't contain enough of hydrating ingredients in them, then you're just wasting your time, because your skin will still be dry and you go through this cycle again. So what are the things you should look out for? Get a very good moisturizer. This period you need to get moisturizer. If you are using all these your lotions that are not really hydrating or moisturizing, you need to keep them down, or you pair them up with your good moisturizer. If you are the type that, so I don't like thick moisturizers, the moisturizers are too thick and all that, you need to go for that thick moisturizer that you don't like. This is the time to hold those thick moisturizer close to you, and those moisturizers should have hydrating ingredients, not just thick moisturizers that are just there, they just slug on your skin and they are just on it with, I know you need occlusives, yes, but get the ones that will still nourish your skin. Now look for things that have hyaluronic acid in them. Yes, plenty of hyaluronic acid. Now when you're going to shop, also look out for things, moisturizers that have niacinamide, that has ceramide, that has plenty of glycerin. Yes, you need glycerin to help you retain moisture. Then you need moisturizers that also have urea. Look for urea, because urea this period will help to nourish your skin, and it also helps to retain moisture on your skin. So those 5 ingredients I have mentioned, make sure that they are in your skincare products, your moisturizer. Let me go over it again. I said number 1 is hyaluronic acid, you need niacinamide, you need your ceramide, you need your glycerin, and then you need your urea. You can also look out for other ingredients, but these are the key ingredients that will help to hydrate your skin. Now that's the first thing you need to do. The next thing is you need to reduce your exfoliants. Yes, reduce the rate at which you exfoliate your skin, because exfoliation causes skin dryness, and right now you are trying to minimize the rate at which water or transepidermal water loss happen on your skin. So if you're hydrating, you're prone to evaporating or losing moisture, so you want to minimize the rate at which you exfoliate your skin. If you're somebody who exfoliates 4 or 5 times a week, you just want to reduce it to maybe once or twice in a week, because give or take, if you're exfoliating too much, your skin will go through it. It's already going through a lot of stress right now, and you exfoliating it is another stress on its own. And before you know it, your skin will tend to react by either breaking out or tearing, or even you encountering rashes and excessive dryness, which could result in maybe eczema and the likes. So you don't want to have that flaky skin. Reduce the rate at which you exfoliate your skin. Then number 3, don't believe that oil alone can solve your problem. Yes, you need to oil. The work of oil is to trap in moisture and keep your skin hydrated. How does it do this? When it traps in the moisture, it reduces the rate at which moisture is lost from your skin. So you putting just oil on your skin and not putting moisturizer is just a waste of time. So yes, you need the oil to lock in that moisture, but you need to get hydrating oil. So many oils have too many irritating ingredients, and as such they can irritate your skin. Just look for simple mild oils. Yes, oils that have good ingredients that would also lighten your skin, because this period you tend to darken. Most of the oils we see these days can darken you. So look for good oils that have good ingredients like hyaluronic acid, that have alpha arbutin, oils that have maybe coconut extract, carrot extract. Those are the kind of oils you should look out for, and I've done a video on oils that you can use, so you can look at that video on my list of videos. And I've also done a video on good moisturizers that will keep your skin hydrated. You can also look at my videos to see that as well. Now, I have mentioned 3 things that you should do this season. Then the 4th thing has to do with your personal hygiene. Yes, there are some of us that really don't shower because of this weather. You're not doing yourself any good, right? Because by not showering, your skin is already dry. The little water you pour during the period when you shower would help to, when you immediately get out of shower, you still leave your body wet and apply your moisturizer, then your occlusive, that's the oil. Moisture is tend to be trapped in that process. But when you don't shower, or maybe you just decide to shower once a day in the night, throughout the day when the weather is extremely harsh, your body is already dry, and then this dryness combined with the fact that you have not showered would even make situations worse. So get up early in the morning, have your bath, lock in moisture straight from the shower. Don't towel, apply your moisturizer and lock it up with oil. Then in the night also shower. Don't skip showering, or don't skip your bath because of the weather. You're just being dirty and you're being lazy. It won't help you at all. So you need to shower. Then the 5th thing, guys, that you need to do is to wear protective clothes. Yes, this is the best time to get those socks, get those pop socks, get your thick suits, your jumpsuits, your onesies. Put on your onesies, those ones that have socks and hoodies. Just protect yourself as much as possible. Also, put on gloves if possible, depending on where you are. I know people in the north, they're going through a lot now. People in Jos, people in Kaduna, Zamfara, all those areas, humidity there is extremely low, and as such the weather is really harsh. So you need to put on gloves, cover your skin as much as possible, because all those environmental pollution, the dust, all those things can be harsh on your skin, and before you know, you start seeing tear and all that on your skin. And then the final thing I want to talk about today on how you can protect your skin is, I know this period people tend to kind of don't want to drink water, because this is the period where it's very difficult to drink water. During the summer, during the heat season, you are prone to drinking water, but because the weather is cold now, some of us don't even drink water. Only maybe when we eat, we just take small sip and that's it. No, you need to force yourself to drink water. Yes, there is external hydration, but you also need to do the internal hydration by drinking plenty of water. Now, if you are not the type that can drink water on your own, look for means to drink water, right? You can take warm water, lukewarm water, put ginger in it. Ginger is a very good antioxidant. It will help, to clear all those free radicals and environmental pollution, which is currently at large now. So adding little of ginger or turmeric or cloves in your water, you can boil it. It will give it this nice scent and taste, and it will add flavor to it. And all those flavonoids in your cloves are very good for your skin cells. So taking it will also help your skin. It will give your skin this strength and boost to nourish itself. So you can do that, but make sure you stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water, guys. Don't just get too comfortable not drinking water and you think you're doing yourself any good, because your body would be dragging the little water it has to keep the body alive. So if you're not replenishing that water, it is taking the one from your skin as well, and as such you will encounter more dryness. So you need to replenish this water by drinking water regularly. So guys, this is where I'll draw the curtain on today's video. If you have found this video helpful, guys, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, like, and share our video. Until I come your way next time, you see your girl Chifo. Bye.